Hi, I'm Megan Hull's AI stunt double. Welcome back to the Gen AI Toolbox, where I test and rate one generative AI tool every week so you don't have to. This week, I'm testing dall-e, which is the tool I used to make this part of the video. Now to the real Megan for more info.
Now that you've seen some of what dall-e can do, I thought I'd tell you a little bit more about how it works. If you've been following the Gen AI Toolbox for some time now, you might know that I already reviewed Synthesia, and so you may be wondering, why are you reviewing dall-e if they have similar functionality? Yes, they both create AI-based video, but the difference is that dall-e has an extra feature that allows you to generate your own avatar using a Midjourney-like image generation tool. So it's almost like if you married Synthesia with Midjourney. Here's the pricing model for dall-e. I tested both the free version and the light version, and that comes in at $5.99 a month. But unfortunately, in light mode, you're not able to create your own avatar, so I had to do that in the free version. The avatar that you saw earlier was one that I picked out from dall-e's pre-made avatars, and that was included in my light mode subscription. So if you're looking for a pre-made, ready-to-run avatar, light mode may work well for you. It has fewer options than Synthesia, but it does allow for you to pick from a large number of voices, and it gives you the opportunity to choose inflection of the speech. If you wanted to create your own avatar, you would need to upgrade to Pro mode, which is nearly 10 times the cost of light mode. But here you can see me creating my own avatar based on the following prompt. A photorealistic redheaded man in his mid-20s taken by a Canon camera. You'll notice that some of the avatars it generates aren't very accurate looking to what I inputted, and some might be a little bit more abstract than others. Here's a quick tester video that I created with this new avatar using the free version of dall-e.
Hi! Dropping into the toolbox as a guest star for Megan.
As a reminder, I'll be rating each tool out of 5 stars based on the following criteria: ease of learning, time saved, quality of the end product, overall value, and practicality. I'll give dall-e 3.5 out of 5 stars. My main complaint is that I felt frustrated that even though I was paying for the tool, I wasn't able to use the create your own avatar part of it. For the purposes that I would use this for, $50 a month to create your own avatar would be a bit much. But the tool is very easy to use, and if you had to create batch promotional videos, instructional videos, or event introduction videos, it might save you some time to use the tool. The image generation I thought was just okay, much like most image generators at this point, a little bit hit or miss, so I don't necessarily see myself using this tool on a regular enough basis to justify the cost. Thanks so much for joining me for episode 10 of the Gen AI Toolbox. And if you want to check out some of the previous reviews that we've done, click the playlist on the screen. See you soon.